my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I crochet some of my, well, basically a couple of my locks. I've been having a lot of issues with unraveling and slippage because I do interlock. I have been interlocking my locks, and I have a major slippage in the back sections after I wash my hair. They will basically come undone. And I didn't really have that issue for my first set of locks because my hair was a lot longer, and you know, so the slippage would have to travel all the way down the lock. But now since my hair is short, basically the locks in the back are slipping. So I just want to crochet. I'm gonna do my whole head, but I specifically want to crochet especially the back sections because it keeps slipping. The back section of my hair, like the back, like 3 rows are looser in texture than the rest of my hair. And then of course, like this section, if you don't know, this section is also like super loose and comes undone every single time I wash my hair. So I just wanted to be proactive and start crocheting those locks that are, you know, really coming undone. I have a couple. I have one up here that is like that's twisted. Oh, there it is. I think it's not this one, but you know, you see this? I don't know. It's not a good one to show. I can't find the one that's like really bothering me, but it's basically like twisted and then open and then twisted again. So I just want to combat those issues and just crochet my whole entire head so that everything will be on the same page and that everything will stay together. So I did watch a couple videos. This girl, I'll link her video below. She crocheted her 2-strand twist, her starter locks, like about 10 days after she installed them. So I'm like, you know what? It's been almost a month for me. I'm still having these issues. I keep having to retwist the locks that keep unraveling. And then in the back, I'll have to do like a soft retighten, not where it's going all the way to the scalp, but basically so that I can have a decent amount of interlocked area, because it'll come, a lot of the twists in the back will come undone all the way to like the bottom, and all of this part will be loose. And then basically every time I wash my hair, that'll keep happening. So I want to combat that and just instant lock and crochet those locks so that that issue doesn't happen anymore. So I did do 2 rows already in the back, so let me show you that right now. Oh, before I do that, let me show you the tool I'm using. So this is just a crochet needle. It's 0.6 millimeters. You can barely even see the hook part of it. Use this to instant lock 2 rows in the back. I do need to like go in and make sure that they're completely completed, but I know the first row is for the most part done. So let me show you guys that part. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. These are the main locks that would like come totally undone when I wash my hair. Somehow, well, this one was started 2 months prior to my whole entire head, so it has a little bit of a head start. And then this one didn't really come undone, but I crocheted it anyways. But yeah, these would come undone every single time I wash my hair. So let me show you what I've done with this one so far. This one is crochet for the most part, and then this one is crocheted. They're not up to the root just because I literally can't. My hair is too soft in these sections to even try to do it up to the root, but I did get like the bulk of it done. And then I did do some of this row as well. These. This one is like I can feel that it's dense. So this one is not completely done. And then there's the rest. For a disclaimer, be careful if you do try to instant lock your hair with a crochet needle. I would suggest wearing like tape or band-aids over your fingers that are like rolling the hair, because you can like stick yourself and bleed basically, so that's not fun. But anyways, I'll link the videos below of the people that I watched to learn how to do this. So hopefully I do it correctly. But in the next clip, you'll see me crocheting my hair. Okay, so I'm not done with the back of my hair at all. I actually just redid the 3 of the back row. So let me show you what those look like. I kind of like how they look because they look like locks. So we'll see. But anyways, I said to keep to make sure to put band-aids or something on your fingers, because as you can see, these would have been little holes in my fingers instead of the band-aid. So yeah, let me just do this one real fast for y'all. Well, not real fast, it takes a while. It does. And I just watched a YouTube video. I forgot what her name was. I'm so sorry. Let me look that up real quick. I'll put her video in the description as well, of how to do this. And before, like yesterday, I was doing the back rows. As you saw, I just had to redo them. But I was doing them and I was doing it incorrectly. In her video, she said to make sure that the hook part, so I don't know if you can see that little hook right there, but make sure the hook part is facing basically outwards. She did her sister's locks, so she was holding it towards herself, because you know it was in the lock, it was facing her. But for me, since I'm doing it on my own hair, I had to face away from me, since I'm doing my own. I hope that makes sense. But anyways, I'm just gonna go. I already twisted the stray hairs, so I'm just gonna kind of twirl, like finger curl, coil, or twirl the lock up to be nice and tight. And then I do have some interlock section already that's like up here, so I'm not gonna go at the very root, but I'm gonna start kind of where the twist is and just like go in and out of the lock. So it's gonna be kind of hard for me to show you, but so I'm just gonna go in and out and periodically twirling and going in and out again. I'll show you the shrinkage of this before I finish. It goes down to my lip. Okay, so I wanted to show you the finished one I just did. It's completely done. It's nice and solid. I didn't do the ends, so the ends are still nice and coiled. Yeah, so hopefully it stays. It looks pretty good. I wanted to see what it would look like on the looser part of my hair, and I'm not feeling it. I'm glad I did this one, because this one was like being weird or whatever. But I don't think I'm gonna do the front of my hair anymore, because I don't typically like how this one is looking. It's not elastic anymore, but it's still long. It's kind of weird. I'm currently watching this girl on YouTube. Her name is Cali Blue Locks, and she started her locks 100% with instant locks. And she was saying that with instant locks, you kind of don't really go through like the main budding process, and you don't like the locking process is kind of different from someone who started with coils or two strand twists. And I'm like, so I did this one. I'm glad I did, so that I know that I don't want to do this to my whole head, and I'll save myself a whole bunch of trouble. It'll be kind of cool to see the differences between the types of locks I'll be having in my hair. I don't think I'm gonna go any higher than this row. Since this row does give me issues, I am gonna take care of it, but I'm just gonna leave it at that. I'm not gonna do my whole entire head, because Hey guys, so it's the next morning. Let me show you the locks in the back real quick. So I did do a very light palm roll on them just so they can stay like formed. Because last night I forgot to palm roll them after I showered and stuff and washed my hair. So I did it after I got out of the shower today. I don't use a shower cap, so my hair gets wet. And of course I sprayed it with water. I spray my hair with water every day on my mixture. So they're puffy, but they stayed together. And that's what I wanted. I wanted them to stay together. So I'm very happy with how it turned out. Very, very happy. And I'll keep you guys updated on how it looks in the future. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in another video. I don't know if this video is gonna go up before or after my 1 month update, but I'll be posting more videos later on anyway. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.